I am Metal Man, and I have something amazing to show you. Presenting The Journey of Metal in APX York Sheet Metal, made by yours truly. Lights, camera, action.
Eric Hook, I'm the lead laser operator at York Sheet Metal.
How does your job here prepare the sheet metal for the next step?
It's programmed to cut the perimeter and any holes depending on their diameter, and basically just cut the part out, and then when it's pulled out of off the sheet, it can be deburred if necessary, and it's basically the rest of the processes are listed on the job.
Jim Peterson. I'm an inspector here, and I do the inspection of the metal to make sure that the job is correct before it goes out the door, so the customers don't catch it. So we try to catch it in the house versus outsource.
How does your job prepare the metal for the next step of the journey?
Mine is to make sure, like I said prior to that, I have to make sure the job is correct with the inspection. Then it'll go back to painting, and they'll paint. If there's any assembly, they'll assemble, and then they'll get shipped out.
Oh, hey again. I really hoped you enjoyed the video I prepared, and I'm excited to make more. Now, if you excuse me, I have places to be.